When it comes to woodworking, the quality of your tools can make the difference between frustration and precision. In this video, we're counting down 10 professional woodworking hand tools that are truly worth every penny over cheap budget brands. From durable chisels and precision marking tools to high-performance sharpening equipment and Japanese pull saws, these tools are built to deliver better accuracy, longer service life, and more enjoyable woodworking projects. Whether you're a beginner looking to invest wisely or an experienced craftsman ready to upgrade your workshop, these are the hand tools that offer real value for years to come. Number 1. Tired of shaky clamping ruining your woodworking precision? Meet the Pony Jorgensen 27091 Woodworker's Vise, built for home workshops, professional benches, and serious DIY. Designed to mount directly onto wood workbench faces. That means stable positioning where you need it most. Its 7-inch jaw width grips boards with confidence, and the 9-inch opening handles larger workpieces easily. Perfect for planing, sawing, sanding, drilling, and assembly. The Acme thread main screw delivers smooth tightening control. Twin-plated steel guide bars keep pressure balanced, resulting in steady, precise clamping every single time. No slipping, no wobble, just dependable work-holding power. The solid steel dog adds even more versatility. Pair it with a bench stop for oversized pieces. Now you can secure long stock across the bench. Drilled jaws allow added wooden facings for protection. That helps preserve delicate surfaces during demanding tasks. Grey iron castings provide rugged strength and durability. The orange baked enamel finish looks bold and professional. A workshop upgrade that performs as good as it looks. It mounts flush with your benchtop for cleaner workflow. Some benches may need light adjustment or shimming. Once installed, the difference is immediately noticeable. More control, more stability, and better cutting accuracy. Less frustration, more efficient progress on every project. From carpentry to repairs, it supports medium-duty work. Reliable enough for shops, practical enough for home use. Pony Tools has delivered trusted shop solutions since 1903. Choose the vise that elevates your bench instantly. Upgrade your workspace with stronger, smoother clamping today. Number 2. Ever notice a knife getting worse the harder you try? One dull blade can slow down the whole kitchen. Cutting tomatoes? More like crushing them into a mess. And hunting or workshop tools lose edge just as fast. That's when a real sharpening kit makes sense. Meet the DMT Deluxe Diamond Professional Knife Sharpening Kit. 3 diamond stones, neatly stored in a natural wood box. Blue coarse stone brings badly worn edges back quickly. Red fine stone hones the blade to clean sharpness. Green extra fine stone polishes for a razor finish. Each stone is 6 inches long for comfortable control. The diamond surface works fast on kitchen and utility blades. No messy oils needed, use dry or with water. That means less fuss and more sharpening done right. From chef knives to pocket knives, it handles them well. It's also great for lawnmower blades and tools. The flat diamond surface helps keep results consistent. And the sturdy hardwood box looks great on any shelf. Open the box, choose your grit, and start sharpening. First, restore the edge with the coarse stone. Then move to fine for a sharper, smoother bite. Finish with extra fine for polished, precise cutting power. The difference is easy to see and feel immediately. Knives slice cleaner, faster, and with less effort. That's the kind of performance home users and pros love. DMT is trusted for durable, precise, long-lasting sharpening. Made in the USA with micronized monocrystalline diamonds. It's built for years of reliable edge care. If you want sharp blades without the hassle, this is it. Upgrade your sharpening routine with DMT today. Number 3. Ever tried chiseling wood with the confidence of a potato? Yeah, the wood said, absolutely not. My chisel slips, stutters, and emotionally damages the project. At this point, I'm not woodworking. I'm negotiating. Then I found the Dewalt Pro Wood Chisel Set. 3 chisels, 1 goal. Stop the humiliation immediately. Look at that thick metal strike cap. Finally, a tool that can take a real hit. No drama, no wobble, just pure impact confidence. The blade is tempered carbon steel. Translation, it stays sharp longer than my motivation. And the edge? long-lasting, like the struggle, but better. Lacquered blades help protect against corrosion, because rusty tools belong in horror movies. The ergonomic handle feels surprisingly lightweight. My hand stopped filing a formal complaint. Anti-slip grip means less slipping, more winning. That's right, the chisel stays put. Shocking behavior, perfect for trimming, carving, and precise woodwork. Basically, the wood finally starts respecting you. The 1/2, 3/4, and 1-inch sizes cover everything. Tiny fix, medium fix, giant problem, handled. Workshop chaos? Reduced. Confidence? Increased. It even looks ready for serious job site work, like a tiny superhero with a very sharp resume. If your old chisel is a comedy sketch, upgrade. Get the Dewalt Pro Wood Chisel Set now, because your projects deserve tools, not excuses. And your hands deserve less suffering. Dewalt. Cut cleaner. Strike harder. Stress less. Number 4. Think dovetail joints are hard to mark accurately. Most errors start long before the saw touches wood. I've tested layout tools across softwood and hardwood projects. The biggest issue is unstable marking and inconsistent slope guidance. That's why I recommend this dovetail marker. It's a patent-pending tool built for precision and speed. The extra large body gives you better control on every board. Long legs help the marker register securely against edges. That means cleaner lines and more confident cuts. You get 4 common dovetail slopes in one tool. Use 1:5, 1:6, 1:8, or 1:10 layouts. Each ratio is clearly marked for softwood and hardwood, so you can match the joint to the project properly. The aluminum body feels solid, light, and dependable. Its anodized black and red finish adds durability and style. Double-sided imperial markings make measuring faster and easier. No guessing, no constant repositioning, no wasted material, just place it, mark it, and move forward. For furniture makers, accuracy directly improves joint fit. For DIY users, it removes much of the trial and error. In practice, that means fewer gaps and cleaner dovetails. It also helps maintain consistency across multiple boards. That consistency matters in drawers, boxes, and fine cabinetry. Even small layout improvements can save significant workshop time. This is not just a marker, it's a reliable guide for better woodworking results. If precision matters, your layout tool should do more. Upgrade to a marker designed for accuracy, durability, and control. Choose the dovetail marker and cut with confidence. Better layout today means better joinery on every project. Number 5. Tired of chisels dulling halfway through the job? Nothing slows woodworking like chipped edges and slipping handles. You need control, durability, and clean cuts every time. Meet Spec Wood Chisel Set. 4 sizes cover trimming, carving, mortising, and repairs. Includes 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and 1-inch blades. High carbon steel delivers maximum edge retention. Precision-honed edges arrive razor-sharp, ready to work. Beveled sides reduce friction in deep cuts. That means smoother mortises and cleaner pocket work. The MOA grip feels secure in your hand. Deep thumb pocket improves control and reduces slipping. Strike cap is hardened for hammer and mallet abuse. Built for repeated impact, not delicate bench-only use. From fine joinery to rough job site tasks, it adapts. One set handles everyday woodworking and serious projects. Before, fighting dull tools, slips, and messy cuts. After, sharp edges, steady grip, and faster progress. You spend less time forcing cuts and more creating. Every chisel is drop-tested to 100 feet. That means tough durability for demanding environments. Spec backs it with a limited lifetime warranty. No hassle, just reliable tools you can count on. Built for professionals, DIYers, and anyone who values precision. Cleaner cuts make the whole project feel easier. Better control means better results with less frustration. Upgrade your toolbox with the Spec set. Choose the chisel set that works as hard as you do. Order now and take on your next project confidently. Spec wood chisels made for mission-ready craftsmanship. Number 6. Think sanding solves every finish problem. Not always. Scraping often leaves wood cleaner, flatter, and faster. I recommend tools that work with the grain, not against it. That is why I like DFM Toolworks cabinet scrapers. These are made in the USA from blue spring steel. The 32-inch thickness gives strength with controlled flexibility. That balance matters on hardwoods, curves, and delicate edges. Each scraper uses 50C Rockwell high-carbon steel, so the edge stays sharp longer during repeated use. Less edge wear means more consistent results on every project. The curved profiles are especially useful for detailed shaping. They handle concave, convex, and flat surfaces with ease. That versatility saves time when moving between different tasks. Glue squeeze out, rough spots, and milling marks disappear quickly. You get cleaner surfaces before stain, oil, or finish. And cleaner surfaces usually mean less sanding afterward. These scrapers arrive ready for sharpening, not guesswork. That lets you tailor the edge to your technique. For best performance, pair them with a burnisher. That combination creates a refined cutting hook for precision scraping. An experienced engineer developed this set with Woodworker input. That shows in the flexibility, edge quality, and durability. In practice, the tool feels controlled and reliable. It helps both professionals and DIY users achieve fine finishes. The set includes 3 cards for everyday workshop needs. One tool rarely covers every contour in real woodworking. This set gives you better control across more situations. If you want precision without oversanding, start here. DFM Toolworks delivers a scraper set built for real results. Upgrade your finish work today and scrape smarter. Number 7. A quiet workshop wakes under the first light of dawn. Fresh timber rests on the bench, waiting for perfect lines. He reaches for a tool built for absolute precision. The Clarke brothers gauge gleams, compact and reassuring. Its roll-stop fence settles firmly against the wooden edge. No slipping, no wobble, only controlled movement forward. One hand guides the body, the other steadies the board. The brass wheel touches down with a confident whisper. A clean line appears, razor straight and perfectly parallel. Laser-engraved scales shine clearly in inch and millimeter. Every measurement reads instantly, removing guesswork from layout. He marks 6 inches, then 150 millimeters with ease. The tool feels balanced, light in the hand. Long sessions no longer strain fingers or slow momentum. He adjusts the setting, and the cutter locks securely. Hardwood meets steel, and the line stays unwavering. 2 replacement cutters wait nearby, ready for future work. That extra value quietly turns one purchase into years. Solid brass, steel, and aluminum resist wear and corrosion. The non-marring brass face protects the tool between projects. From cabinet edges to custom joinery, accuracy changes everything. Mistakes shrink, waste drops, and confidence grows with each cut. The maker steps back, studying flawless markings across the board. What once felt difficult now moves with effortless rhythm. The workshop grows quieter, yet the results speak louder. Every project begins with trust in the first line, and this gauge delivers that trust every single time. Upgrade your woodworking with precision that feels beautifully simple. Choose Clarke Brothers and mark every cut with confidence. Number 8. A quiet workshop wakes under the first morning light. Wood dust floats above unfinished boards and steel tools. One crooked mark can ruin an entire project. He reaches for certainty instead of guessing. The Peck Machinist square rests in his hand. Compact, solid, and built like a promise. Its hardened steel body feels impossibly precise. Every edge is ground to a true right angle. Inside and outside corners both hold perfect alignment. No moving parts, no wobble, no compromise. He presses it against the board's edge. The line appears clean, exact, and unmistakable. A small debris notch keeps accuracy undisturbed. Dust and metal particles have nowhere to gather. He checks again, and the fit remains flawless. Confidence replaces hesitation across the entire bench. Drill holes, saw cuts, and corners all fall in line. Precision starts with one dependable reference point. Peck has pursued that standard since 1960, built for machinists, woodworkers, and anyone who values exactness. From layout work to inspection, it never feels ordinary. Every measurement becomes faster, cleaner, and more certain. He finishes the joint and steps back. The frame stands square, strong, and ready. What began as uncertainty ends in perfect alignment. Small tool, serious precision, lasting workshop trust. When the angle matters, the square matters more. Choose PEC for true right angles every time. Bring accuracy home to your bench today. PEC Machinist Square, measure with confidence. Number 9. I was ruining clean joints with my old bulky saw. Every cut felt rough, slow, and frustratingly inaccurate. My dovetails kept splitting, and projects looked unfinished. Even simple furniture builds turned into stressful rework. Then I scrolled past this SUIZAN Pullsaw. The sleek Japanese design instantly caught my attention. I stopped hard when I saw those razor-thin teeth. A true Pullsaw, not another heavy push saw. That lightweight blade promised smoother cuts with less effort, and the Japanese steel looked seriously premium. Made in Japan sealed the deal for me. Master craftsmanship always means something in woodworking tools. What sold me most was the ultra-thin precision blade, just 0.3 mm thick for cleaner, finer cuts. The narrow kerf means less waste, more control. I knew this could transform my joinery work, so I finally gave it a try. The first pull cut felt unbelievably smooth. No fighting the wood, no forcing the blade. It sliced through cleanly, with almost zero effort. My dovetails instantly looked sharper and more professional. Tenon cuts became faster, cleaner, and way more precise. Even delicate furniture details came out beautifully. Now every project feels easier and more satisfying. This is the tool upgrade I needed. Beginners will love it, and pros will respect it. If your cuts matter, this saw changes everything. Why keep struggling with rough blades and messy joins? Get the SUIZAN Dozuki now and level up. Ready to cut cleaner, faster, and smarter today? Number 10. Need cleaner layout lines for your woodworking projects. This big horn marking knife makes precision feel effortless. Reason 1. Ultra-accurate scribing for dovetails, tenons, and joinery. It traces reference-perfect lines that standard pencils simply cannot. That means tighter fits, cleaner cuts, and better results. Reason 2. The blade gives controlled, drift-free marking. One flat side rides squares and straightedges with ease. The beveled edge helps you mark exactly where needed. No wobble, no guesswork, just confident, accurate layout work. Reason 3. The handle feels natural and incredibly stable. Its rosewood grip sits like a pencil in hand. Two small flats keep it from rolling off benches. A brass ferrule adds strength and keeps the blade secure. That solid build is made for everyday shop use. With a 1-to-1 2-inch high carbon steel blade, you get sharp, reliable performance on every marking pass. Use it for molding, trim, and matching cut lengths. It saves time when parts need exact fitting. It also helps when scribing pieces to existing work. From cabinets to fine joinery, it stays extremely useful. Small in size, but big on precision and control. If you care about clean lines, this tool delivers. If you care about fit, this tool helps. If you care about accuracy, this belongs on your bench. Woodworkers, DIYers, and detail-focused makers will appreciate it. It's simple, dependable, and ready for real shop work. Add the Bighorn 19061 to your toolkit today. Upgrade your marking game and cut with more confidence. Tap to buy now and sharpen every layout line. Make every project cleaner, faster, and more precise. That wraps up our list of 10 professional woodworking hand tools that prove buying quality once is often better than replacing cheap tools over and over again. Whether you're improving joinery, sharpening your edge tools, or achieving more accurate layouts and cleaner cuts, each of these tools is an investment in better craftsmanship and long-term reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow woodworkers. Stay tuned for more expert tool reviews, workshop upgrades, and woodworking gear that helps you build with confidence.